Hi, so today we are going to see how to install WordPress theme. Just to give you an idea, there are two kinds of themes. First one are free themes which are available on WordPress repository and you can install them free of cost. Second themes are premium themes which you can download from some websites like themefirst.com and then install on your website. If you want my recommendation on best free and premium themes, check the description of the video. Okay, so before we go and see how to install theme, let's quickly see what is a theme. So theme is a design at your website. We decide that how your website will look. For example, if you see on the left side, this is the default WordPress installation which came with pre-packaged 2020 theme. If you see the menu links or you can say navigation item on the top, they are pink in color and smaller. If you see the text next to it, it is black in color and big in size. So overall theme decide the appearance and layout of your website and elements. And just by changing theme you can change whole appearance of website. In the description of video I will add important time step so that you can skip directly to the part which you are interested in. For example, if you want to install a free theme, you can check in description and just go to that part directly. If you are interested in premium theme installation, you can go to that part directly. Also, in the end of the video I will add a bonus tip that how you can import complete dummy website. So you do not need to spend hours and hours for building all the elements on your website. You can just import the dummy website and edit the content as per your needs. So this is my default WordPress website. Currently it is running on default 2020 theme. To change or add new theme, we need to log in into website dashboard. To log in into website dashboard, copy the URL and type /login in the end. Then enter your username and password, login. Okay, now to add a free theme, go to appearance and themes. On this section you can see all the themes installed on your website. Currently there is only one theme 2020 which came pre-packaged with WordPress installation. To add a new theme, click on add new. And now you can see thousands of different themes which you can install on your website free of cost. You can sort them by popular themes or you can filter them by your need. For example, if you want to make a website for blog, you can filter. And all the themes, they are good for making a blog website. If you want to make a website for your e-commerce site, then you can click on e-commerce and then you can see all the themes which are good for e-commerce business. Okay, so let's go to popular themes and see what happens when we install a new theme. Okay, there are very good themes here. I really prefer Astra, OceanWP, Nav, GeneratePress. They're very nice themes. Okay, let's quickly install a theme and see what will change on the website. Okay, so I'm installing this theme GeneratePress. Once it is installed, you have to activate the theme. If you do not activate the theme, nothing will change on your website. In short, you can install multiple themes on your website, but the theme which will change the design is one which is activated. So activate the theme. Okay, so this is how my website used to look before. Let's quickly open the website in another tab so that we can compare both versions. Okay, you can see my website design is changed. So this one was the default design and this one is the new design. You can see with default 2020, footer looks something like this and the header looks something like this and the colors are pink and black. With GeneratePress, you can see the website header is changed, menu items are more organized and the footer is also sleek. We can try to install another theme very quickly. So to install another theme, we will go back to add new, we'll sort popular theme and we'll try to install Astra theme. Okay, is it installed? But we need to activate it first. Activate and just quickly refresh your website. Okay, do you see the theme changed? The design is also changed. Okay, now we'll see how we can install a premium theme. So if you bought your theme from ThemeForest or any other platform like Monster Theme, you just log into your dashboard. In my case, I will show you via ThemeForest. So if I want to install this theme on website, just click here on download and click on installable WordPress file only. Save the file. Then we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard. We'll go to appearance and themes, same way like we installed the free theme. Add new. But instead of choosing the themes from here, we'll click on upload themes and we'll browse and we'll upload the file we recently downloaded from ThemeForest. Click install now. If you want my recommendation on best theme on ThemeForest, check the description of the video. Okay, theme installed successfully. Now we'll activate the theme. Here you get a lot of options. You can play with them and see what they change. You have option for general, menu, header. You can choose different layout of menus. These options are always available in most of the themes. Normally if you go to your dashboard, you need to go to appearance and customize. Otherwise, if your theme support like custom options, so you can always see this option in your left sidebar. For example, the theme I installed named the gem, so in that case the options are here. Okay, so the theme is activated and installed, so let's quickly refresh our website and see what changed. Okay, so now my website looks like this. Okay, now as we see how we can install a free theme and a premium theme. But if you want to install demo content also, or you want to import the demo content website because you're just starting making a website and you don't have any content, either you can spend hours and hours and make all the sections, add images, add text on this website, or what you can do, you can install a plugin and you can import complete demo website, and later on you can edit the website and change as per your needs. You can change your logo, you can change the text, but you will get a very good head start while you are making a website from scratch. So this plugin is called Starter Templates. To install the plugin, we'll go to plugins, add new, search for the plugin called Starter Template, install now. Once it is installed, activate it. Okay, now we install this plugin. We'll go very fast to appearance and click on Starter Templates. Here you can find already made websites which you can just import, and you can import all the pages on your website. So you can get a very good head start while you make your website. You can choose the page builder from here. The 4 page builder available now: Elementor, Beaver, Gutenberg and Brizy. You can also sort them by their categories: business, blog, e-commerce. For this video we are going to choose the free themes only. You have a lot of websites already made here. You can just import them and edit them as per your needs. Let's quickly import a demo website. Okay, for example, I want to import this website. Click on complete import site. Click import. It's gonna take some few minutes, so be patient. Okay, so import is complete. Let's go and check our website. Click on view site. Okay, so now you can see we have complete website imported. You do not need to make these elements by yourself. All the elements are imported by Starter Templates. Even the pages are also imported. Let's quickly check about page. Okay, so now you are thinking how I can change this text. To change the text on any page, click edit with Elementor. And the text you want to edit, just click on the text and start writing. If you want to change this big image, click on these 6 dots, go to styles, click on this image, and you can upload your own files, or you can choose the free images from Pixabay. Pixabay is a free image repository from where you can download images free of cost. For example, I want to add this image to my website. Save and insert. Okay, so our image is changed. We can have a preview of our changes. Okay, so our text is changed, our image is changed. So now we see how we can install a free theme and a premium theme. And we see also how we can import the complete website. So I hope this video is helpful for you and you can get a very good head start while making a new website. Thank you so much. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share with somebody who is in process of making their own website. Have a nice day.